Tired of spending hours on routine tasks or burning your budget with little to show for it? Imagine if a simple tool could save a ton of your time and money. Sounds too good to be true? But it's real. Let me show you how AI is changing the business game. Too busy to watch? That's exactly why you need AI. Make sure to watch this video till the very end, and I'll prove it. Manual processes are killing your productivity. Did you know that the average employee spends 40% of their time on tasks that can be automated? And companies are losing up to $30,000 per employee every year due to inefficient workflows. Let's dive into some specific scenarios where AI is already delivering real value to businesses. Data analysis. AI analyzes large volumes of information and offers actionable insights. For example, machine learning systems identify sales patterns and uncover growth opportunities. AI-driven financial optimization. AI can analyze a company's finances, flagging inefficiencies, and offering cost-saving solutions. For example, it can identify duplicate subscriptions, predict cash flow issues, or suggest renegotiating vendor contracts for better terms. Smart scheduling. With AI schedulers, your employees can automatically set up meetings, avoiding scheduling conflicts. This is especially useful for hybrid or remote teams. Spend optimization. AI algorithms help optimize ad spending by using historical data to allocate the budget most efficiently. For instance, one of our client companies, a retail chain with 50 stores, used an AI manager to optimize inventory. The result? A 20% of reduction in warehouse stock and savings of over $100,000 in the first year. Another story, financial company that reduced its loan application processing time from 2 days to just 2 hours. The AI bot handled the initial data checks, leaving employees to deal with only complex cases. Or take a look at a small SaaS company that boosted its ROI by 50% just by automating customer segmentation. For example, Sarah, who runs a mid-sized e-commerce business. After integrating an AI-powered CRM, she reduced customer churn by 25% and cut administrative work in half. Her team is now focused on growth, not routine. Here's what you can do right now. Step number 1. Identify processes you can automate. Step number 2. Explore which AI tools fit your needs, or let us help you. Step number 3. Take advantage of our free consultation to get started. Still thinking it's not the right time? Every hour spent on routine tasks is money lost. AI helps you work smarter, not harder. Want to see how it's working for real businesses? Check the link in the description for real stories of how businesses like yours are using AI to grow faster and easier. I'm Valeria, your tech guide here at Modson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's build the future together, one smart decision at a time. See you soon. Bye!